In today's video, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare caching to help your website load faster and reduce the number of requests sent to your server. If you're new to caching, it's a feature that temporarily stores copies of your website's files closer to your visitors. This allows pages to load more quickly and can reduce the workload on your hosting server. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Then select the website you want to optimize. Next, open the caching section from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main cache settings for your domain. Take a moment to review the available options. Depending on your plan, you may be able to adjust how Cloudflare stores static files, controls cache behavior, or manages cached content. If needed, choose a cache level that matches your website. For most sites, the default settings provide a good balance between performance and compatibility. You can also use the Purge Cache option whenever you've updated your website and want visitors to see the latest version immediately. After making your changes, save the settings and give Cloudflare a few moments to apply them. Now visit your website and browse a few pages to make sure everything loads correctly. If you recently changed your site's content, confirm that the newest version is being displayed. As your website grows, review your caching settings from time to time to make sure they continue to match your site's needs. And that's how you use Cloudflare caching. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.